Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to export the Google Map 3D models and import into your Unreal Engine game project. This is Unreal Engine 4.26. You can see this 3D models, the whole city, the New York City from Google Map 3D. The Empire State Building is here now. It is totally in your Unreal Engine 4. If I try to test play, you can see now I'm in New York City. And all the streets, where is the Empire State Building is somewhere here. Of course the quality, it is quite low poly, but the whole New York City is in my Unreal Engine 4 game project. So start from now, I'm going to show you how to step by step do this. Alright, next, you can check your video description. You scroll down to the bottom and check your video description. You can see download Google Map 3D Grabber version 2. This one is compiled by me. I already put the download link. This is my Google Drive. Just go and download it. This is a zip file. After you download it, what you need to do is extract it and you will get this folder, Google Map 3D Grabber version 2. In this folder, you can see you have a RenderDoc 1.7 installer. So first, you are going to install this, the RenderDoc 1.7. After you install this, make sure you have the Google Chrome. This is the Google Chrome. If you don't have this Google Chrome browser, you just go and download the Google Chrome and install in your computer. This is Microsoft Windows 10. Next. Now here I provide you a Blender 2.90.1. For this version of the Blender, I already put in the plugin that you require to import the Google Map 3D. So make sure you do the first step, RenderDoc, go and install this. So now start from now, I'm going to show you from beginning. At the beginning, now you check this folder. After you install your Google Chrome, you have this Google Chrome shortcut. This is what I have provided for you. If you right click, check the properties. This one, Google Chrome X64 RenderDoc. The target and start ins, I already modified it. This is just for your RenderDoc. This one, belongs to you. The target and the start in. For the Google Chrome original shortcut, it is like this. Now, I already made some modifications. Now you can see some disable GPU sandbox, all this related to the RenderDoc. You no need to worry about this. You just need to use this shortcut. Before you start anything, make sure you already close all the browser. If you are still opening any of the Chromium or Google Chrome, you just close it. Close all the browser. Then make sure you already start the RenderDoc first. RenderDoc already installed and start it. Next, click File, inject into Process, and here type Chrome, CHROME. Stand by there. After that, by using my shortcuts, it depends on your operating system. You can either start Google Chrome X64 or Google Chrome X86. For my computer, what I had installed is Google Chrome X64. Just double click the shortcut. After you double click this RenderDoc Google Chrome shortcut, you should be able to see this white color totally blank, you cannot see anything, and another conversation box, GPU starting with PID. At this moment, here you refresh your RenderDoc version 1.7. Now you should be able to see Google Chrome GPU. Click here to select it and click Inject. Next step, GPU starting with PID, here you click OK. Now, it is ready. Next, go to the Google Map, the map.google.com. map.google.com. So I will give this link as well. It's easier for you to click it directly. Alright, at here, now, let's say if I want to go and grab some buildings, for example, Alpha Tower, in French, I search it first. Most of the famous cities, you can find the 3D, you click the satellite. Now you can see the Alpha Tower is here, you click the 3D. Now this is the Alpha Tower in Paris. It is a really awesome building. Now, I will demo how to grab this, grab the whole Paris, grab the Paris city around the Alpha Tower. Alright, next, back to your RenderDoc. Here you can see capture after delay. Here you put 5. Make it as 5 seconds, and then click capture after delay. Then you have to come back to your Google Chrome. So now I will demo capture after delay. I click back to the Google Chrome. Must make sure you drag in this way to move it. After 5 seconds, you can see it is here already. Back to your RenderDoc. This is 44.48 MB. The RenderDoc already helped you to capture the 3D models as RDC file. Alright, now I minimize my Google Chrome. As demo, I will open a new folder on my desktop and I will name it Alpha Tower. Now, I want to save this. Right click save. I will choose desktop and I will name it Alpha Tower 01. Save. Where is it? Alright, it's saved in the wrong location, sorry. Again, right click save. I should choose the desktop and the folder is Alpha Tower. The file name Alpha Tower. Save. Now, it is already in this folder, as you can see. It is already here. Just now I did a mistake. I saved into my desktop, so I delete the one. Next, this RDC file is very useful. Now, I will return back to the folder, the one that you downloaded and as the zip file and you already extracted. Open again. You can see a Blender 2.90 that already modified by me by install the required plugin to import the RDC file. Double click in to open the Blender. So the first step, select everything here and delete it. This is the camera, this is a cube, and this is the point light. We no need these 3 objects. So I press delete button to delete it. Next, click edit, preferences, add-ons, and here search for map. You should be able to see map model importer here. Make sure you already take it. This is very important, very crucial. Make sure you take it. After you take it, close. Now if you click File, Import, you should be able to see the Google Map Capture RDC. That means now this Blender already ready to import the RDC formats of the Google Map that captured by your RenderDoc. So where is the location? The location is on the desktop Alpha Tower. So File, Import, Google Map Capture RDC, and I will select the desktop Alpha Tower. Here you can see an RDC file. Just double click and wait for a while. Start from now, you can see not responding. This is very normal. Don't close it. Just be patient and wait until it finishes. Load the whole map here, the Paris city. Just wait for a while. Alright, now you can see the Paris already loaded. If I click here, turn on the texture, you can see this is really a 3D model of the Paris city around the Eiffel Tower. It is really awesome, but you cannot direct export it as FBX. The first step, what you need to do is select everything, because now it's separated as a lot of different meshes. We are going to combine it as the first step. Just to select everything in this way and press Ctrl Z. Now all the meshes already combined as a single mesh. Next, at this moment, you can export it out as FBX file. So File, Export, FBX. And always remember, the path mode, you have to select copy and make sure you click here to make it become blue color. And select the correct location. I will put on my desktop, Eiffel Tower. I will put as the same folder here. I will name it as Eiffel Tower 01. Now I export this FBX file. The exporting process also takes a few seconds, and now you can see the FBX file is here. If you cannot see the .fbx file extension, you can click View, Options, click the icon of the option and click View. Make sure you untick the hide extension for known file types, then click OK. Because the file extension is quite important as a game developer and 3D animator, you need to involve with a lot of different file types. So I prefer to direct show the file extension so that you can directly recognize what is this without looking at the type. So next step, if you already have an Unreal Engine project, here I can start a new map, a new level. I choose default. And then, if I try to play, this is just a plane. And the player start is here. So now, I want to make this plane wider. Just select this plane and press R and go to the center and drag here. XY plane to make it big, like this. Now it becomes a very big map. If I try to play, now you can see this map is very wide. Now, back to here, I'm going to import the FBX file. This is the Eiffel Tower. So click the contents. I'm going to right click and open a new folder. I will name it Eiffel Tower. I double click into the Eiffel Tower and I will drag in the FBX file into this folder. This is the process of importing the FBX file into Unreal Engine 4. I drag in. Then FBX imports option, you can see we no need the skeleton mesh. You just leave this blank and everything should be no problem. You just need to click import all. 1 minute. At this moment, you just need to be patient and wait until it achieves 100%. It will pop out this message log. You can just close this message log. It is not really important. Next, after it finished compiling all the shadows, you should be able to see the static mesh here at the alpha tower. What you need to do is double click in and drag it down until you see collisions. Make sure the collision complexity, you choose use complex collision as simple. This is very important. You must make sure use complex collision as simple. Save. Then close. Now, I can try. This is a static mesh. I drag into my game scenes. I press W to lift it up. And now I try to play. No, wait. The player starts. Wait. The player start should be up a bit. Play. Now you can see this Google Map 3D already successfully imported into your Unreal Engine 4. And it is game ready. And we already finished set the collisions. That is the previous step, the complex collisions. So now I want to make it bigger. The scale, I press R to rescale it. Let's say if I put 10. Here also 10. Here also I put 10. And the location Z, I leave it up. Let's have a look. This is the player start. Somewhere here. I put it up. I play. Now you can see the whole Paris is already game ready. I can walk inside the city. If I make it bigger, the Paris city, if I make it 100, maybe I make it 50, and here also 50. Alright, where is it? Should be leave it up a bit. Drag the Z. Alright, something like this. Now, I try to play. You can see now actually I'm in the Paris city. And of course this Google Map 3D is not a high quality mesh. It is just a very rough mesh. And just for you to see, if you really go into this world, it is not as beautiful as you think. However, if you want to make it small and make it become a model like a skyscraper, then that would be better. Now you can see Alpha Tower is here, and this is really awesome. And let's have fun on it. If you want to ask me whether this is legal or illegal, I cannot answer you. You can just ask your legal advisor, ask your lawyer, or direct contact the Google, see whether can you utilize this 3D model. I cannot give you any answer here. And that's all for today about how to import the Google Map 3D into your Unreal Engine 4 and make it be into your game project and set the static mesh collisions, and now it is game ready. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell to select all and activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation and game developing. See you. This is Alpha Tower.